Welcome again. Today we are looking at expansion up to the term x raised power n. A good example is x raised power 3 or y raised power 5. If you are told to expand a given expression or a given binomial until you obtain a situation where you have x raised power 3 or x raised power 4 or y raised power 6, whatever it is, then we're not going to expand it fully. A good example is this: expand x plus 3y raised power 8 in increasing powers of x up to the term in x power 4. So meaning that we are supposed to be expanding this until we stop at where we are going to have x raised power 4. Now that in this case we are having x and y, so we are going to expand x until we reach x raised power 4. So in this case it is easier. You start with expanding x from x power 0 because we are told to expand in increasing powers of x. So to know that we have reached x raised power 4, we are going to start from x power 0 and then we increase it. So we shall move from x power 0, x power 1, x power 2, x power 3, and then we stop at x power 4. Then for 3y, we are going to start from 3y power 8, then we move to 3y power 7, then 3y power 5, 6, sorry, then 3y power 6, 3y power 4. And then remember to put the coefficients. Coefficients when power was 8, powers of 8 were 1, 8, 28, 56, 70. 1, 8, 28, 56, 70. 1 times 1 times 3 raised power 8 is 65, 61. Y power 8. The next will be 3 raised power 7. 3 raised power 7 is 21, 87, and then multiply this by 8. We get 17, 496. 17, 496. X, y power 7. And then we move to 3 raised power 6 is 729. Multiply this by 28. We get 20, 412. X squared y power 6. And then we move to 3 raised power 5, which is 243. Multiply this by 56. You get 13606. 13608. X cubed y power 5. Then finally 70. 3 raised to power 4 is 81 times 70 gives you 5670. 5670 x power 4 y power 4. So this becomes the correct. We shall have 6561 y power 8 plus 17496 x y power 7 plus 20412 x squared y power 6 plus 13608 x cubed y power 5, then 5670 x power 4 y power 4. So now this one is what answers our question. We have expanded up to the term x power 4 because this is where we have x power 4. Example 2, expand 2x minus y raised power 6 in decreasing powers of x up to the term in y power 3. So the best way to do this, expand y in increasing powers. Negative y power 0, negative y power 1, negative y power 2, negative y power 3. We end there. Then for x, we are going to start from 2x power 6, 2x power 5, 2x power 4, 2x power 3. And then we now add the coefficients 1, 6, 15, 20. Then we now multiply this 64 x power 6. The next 32 times 6 gives us 192. Negative 192 x power 5 y, and then 16 by 15 is positive 240 x power 4 y squared. Then finally negative 160 x cubed y cubed. The final answer is 64 x power 6 minus 192 x power 5 y plus 240 x power 4 y squared minus 160 x cubed y cubed. So I want you to try the following, work on them and see what you're going to get. Goodbye.